Hey guys, it's me, and I'm going to be singing That Should Be Me by Justin Bieber. So please comment, rate, and subscribe. If you comment down below, that would be really awesome. So yeah, that would be really cool. So yeah, and please subscribe. So I'm only going to sing a little bit because that's all I know. So here it is. What is laughing in my mind? You were fretting about this other guy. Do you do what you did when you did with me? Like you love you the way I can? Did you forget all the things